In a khutbah, there should be appeal to both the intellect and the emotions of man. You have to address the man wholesome, not in pieces. When you are writing a book on philosophy, you are appealing only to reasoning and intellect, not to emotions. If you write something emotional in a book on philosophy, well, you fail. You are not doing your job. Actually, and if in some vase, now you are discussing high philosophy and logic, you are doing something wrong. But when you are addressing a man, now every man has some intellect, some understanding. It might be high, it might be low, his understanding. And then every man, he or she, male or female, has emotions also. That are part and parcel of our personality. So a khutbah has to move both. It is appealing to both to the mind and to the heart. It's addressing the intellect as well as the emotions of the audience. Finally, in khutbah, and this is common between khutbah and sha'r, in ghazal and qasida also, the beginning and the end, they are most important. If a khatib has started his lecture in a way that he absorbs the attention of the audience, he's a successful speaker. And if not, well, he will go on talking and people will be thinking this way or that way, seeing this way or that way. You have to get their attention absorbed towards you. So the beginning should be absorbing. It should be, which will take the attention of the people towards you. Focus the attention of the people towards you. And then in khutbah you discuss something to the left, something to the right. You have appealed to the intellect at one time, and you have appealed to the logic or emotions at the other time. But in the end, then again there should be some profound and complete message should be delivered. Because the last impression, that is the actual impression. That is to last, the final impression. So that is why we find in Quran the khawatim and fawatih. Fawatihu suwar, khawatimu suwar. In most of the surahs, the beginning, it's very majestic, glorious, in a special way. And endings are also in a very profound way. Khawatim of Surah Al-Baqarah, the 3 ayat. Fawatih of Surah Al-Baqarah. Fawatih, the beginning ayat of Surah Al-Imran. And the ending ayat of Surah Al-Imran. Go on and see, you will find that both these, and in ghazal and qasida also, you have definite terms. This is maqta, this is matla. The first, the couplet, if it absorbs you, then actually you are a successful poet. And then the maqta, maqte mein aap padhi hai sakun gastarana baat. The maqta should be very powerful. So actually that also applies to khutbah, that the beginning and the end has to be more effective, more profound.